Well, let me tell y'all, let me show y'all something. This car was in an accident, right? He done spent almost a half a day looking for some weird body electrical problem. So he got just about, he had the whole inside out. So I guess he putting it back together, they declined. Now, when he got to, he's searching for why the BCM not talking to such and such and such. Guys, don't get it twisted. This type of work is tedious. This is one of those jobs where you need flag time, where, you know what I'm saying, you need like diagnostic time, like you punch in and you don't punch out until you're done or found the problem. Okay, straight time or whatever they call it. But he got down to this part right here. My man said he found, let me see if I can get y'all yeah, it's wet right in here, guys. Coolant. Okay. Ooh. What is all of this? Oh my goodness. So we got a problem with coolant migration. Y'all remember that terminology? Hey, explain this to me, Chaz. What happened here? Is this all coolant?
Yeah, it's all coolant. Somehow coolant got in there when they got into the accident.
Holy crap. So you can't repair this. You need a whole body harness.
Yeah, because it shorted the harness and then it's ended up shorting down to BCM.
Oh, this little rubbery liquid down here is coolant?
Yeah, it's all coolant. It's all
damn.
stuff right here.
Yeah.
Like at first,
I see something right here.
It's all over this. At first, you know.
Oh, let me see this.
At first I thought it was blood because it's red.
Oh, you pull this off and this led. Yeah, this led you to.
I got some contamination. It's like I'm about to die.
You should.
So if you look at it at the BCM itself, I mean it's coolant sprayed all over it, all over the BCM.
So what's the fix? What are you recommending?
BCM harness and dash.
Oh.
Dash harness.
Oh, that just turned it into an insurance job.
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay. So I guarantee they're gonna send an adjuster out here to see all of this.
Yeah, it goes. Oh, that's great. I mean, I took the picture of it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Whew. Oh man, you can have it.
Because none of the exterior lights are working. And
oh, that's the outcome. None of the lights.
Yeah.
You had codes in the BCM?
Lin 3 bus.
Oh. So something was shutting the whole lens down.
Yeah. Look. Oh, that's coolant.
Oh man.
Somehow coolant got sprayed all over there.
Holy crap! But where it come from? That's what's.
I don't know.
Dude, coolant source. What? In a heater core? It's a heater core in here.
Yeah.
Other than that, I mean, the last coolant migration problem I had, I had my PCM connector had coolant in it. And I traced it all the way down to the coolant temp sensor. It had, when I pulled the connector off it, so that sensor, they say, pushing electrons pushes that coolant all the way up through the wire harness and into the computer.
It happened bad with DT Cruisers.
Oh yeah, they were. Well, oil. Yeah, oil. Yep. That shit would push that stuff.
Run down the harness and go to the fan and blow it, start burning shit up.
Oh, we had a recall on that.
Yeah.
Yep, they just turned it into an insurance job. Best believe that. So, ladies and gentlemen, we'll see what happens. Short, guys. Real quick, y'all see what happened to your boy? Yes, guys, I'm getting ready to check this for oil leak. So naturally, I get ready to verify the oil level, make sure there's oil in it. Guess what happened? This sticks on me. I try to work it out, and boom, this happened. So because this happened in my possession, I'm responsible, right? Yes, I can only assume. So we're gonna try to get this out. In fact, I'm gonna pull up footage of another video that I did taking this out. I'm gonna show you how to get this out on this same hashtag short video. Different car, but same problem. Let's get it. Yes! Hashtag short, guys. As y'all can see, my area is getting back credit. Okay, yes, it's almost that time. Well, I got a clear truck now, so I can take this big stuff now. The engine, transmission, it's a transfer case in there. Now, guys, here goes another one of these, guys. Remember that last one? It's gone. But I heard a guy in the comment section was saying, this is replaceable. Guys, I don't see nowhere, unless there's a clip, unless you can take this boot off and there's a clip in there, you can get that out. I don't know. I'm not sure how this is replaceable, but I would say it is a damn shame you have to replace the whole drive shaft just because this bushing is wore out. Now, it's a bushing, it's a wearable item, right? I understand that, but it should be replaceable. I'm not sure how much this costs, but I bet customers are sick and tired of, you know, stuff like this. Should be replaceable. This is a drive shaft, okay? Probably a Charger or a Challenger. Y'all know those things have some powers, and this may not be, I don't know, but at any rate, here's one. Hashtag short, guys. Here we go again. Toe in, no start. Okay, now before I run up and get my jump box, I'm getting no power whatsoever. This thing, hey, got a little Hemi in it. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Let me see. Look at that. Both of them. They didn't even try. Like, you ain't gonna give it no effort. Like, if you're gonna go with this, man, at least, I mean, look at this. Okay, the terminal is on, or the terminal is on the battery post real tight, but the connections, and on top of that, they towed it in for no start. Actually, they towed it in because it won't move. I'm gonna do like a couple of hashtag short videos on this one, but I gotta get it started first, guys. Let me go get some tools in a jump box. All right, y'all hold tight. Hashtag short.